Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another new subscription service for you guys. This is the Chic Beauty Box, and this box is every other month, and it is for a cost of $34.99. And you should be getting 4 to 5 full-size makeup items in this box. It does come in a really pink, cute mailer, at least mine did. But of course I ripped that open, so I don't have it inside the mailer. And then inside you get this adorable little box. And inside are all of your items. So let's check it out. Outside of it came this first item, which I don't think we don't get like anything saying what we get, or do we? Oh yeah, we do. Okay, so in here we have a little card and it tells us what we get, and we get either variation 1 or variation 2. Apparently I have variation 1. So my variation has a total of $102 worth of value inside this small little box. And when you open it, look how cute it is. And guys, from what I saw, I do think I'm really gonna like this box. So the first thing in here is from Clarence Paris, and this is the Super Restorative Instant Lift Serum Mask. And this retails for $25. All right, next thing in here is from Tarte. And this is a chrome paint, and this retails for $22. And let's open that up and see. Wow, this is really pretty. I like the packaging, and the color on this one is Top Yacht. All right, wow, it's a loose, like a loose thing. Oh my God, OMG. Great, exactly what I didn't want to happen happened, but I will swatch it. It's a beautiful like gold color, look at that. Very, very pretty. All right, so that is from Tarte. So far, so good. Next item is also from Tarte, and this is what? This is this from Tarte? Yes, and this is the Lip Architect lipstick and liner. And this is $24 value. This is in the color Daisy, which I like because that's my mother's name. And this is so pretty. Oh my gosh, look at that packaging. So pretty. Okay, so on one side, you're gonna get like the lipstick, which we're gonna swatch, obviously. Oh my God, it's so soft. Look at that. It's so creamy. I can't get over it. And on this side, you're gonna get, I guess, the lip liner. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. Definitely a good box. Next thing is from Too Faced, and this is the Peach Kiss Comfort Matte Longwear Lipstick. This retails for $21, and this is in the color Breakfast Club. Oh my God, look how pretty this packaging is. I really like that. So pretty. Look at this color. Look at the details on this lipstick. Can you guys see that? And then there it has like their logo. All right, this is gorgeous. Ooh, beautiful. A nice red orange color. Definitely up my alley. More on the red side. You guys know I love these type of colors. And definitely it felt like cream. Literally going on, it felt like butter going on my hand. Next thing is from CoverGirl, and this isn't on the list, so I don't know if this is something extra that they just threw in there. This is a Farewell Feathering Lip Liner Crayon, and it's clear. So I'm guessing this is kind of to outline outside your lips, I guess. This is what it looks like. I'm guessing it's like a little extra. And I think it's to create a line here so your lipstick won't smear, which is great. And then last thing in here is from Milani, and this is the Everyday Eyes eyeshadow palette. And this is a beautiful palette. This retails for $10.99. All right, guys, so we got this Milani eyeshadow palette, which I've heard great things about. We got this CoverGirl lip liner. We've got this from Tarte. We've got this from Tarte. We got this from Too Faced. I'm like not saying the names. The lipstick from Too Faced. The chrome paint shadow pot from Tarte. The lip liner and lipstick from Tarte. From CoverGirl, it doesn't say what it is here on the paper, but it's a lip liner crayon so your lipstick won't smear. The Milani palette and Clarins mask. Guys, definitely worth it. This box is probably one of the best ones I've seen. Like, these are high-end products, and high-end doesn't always mean that it's better than anything else, but we got a lot of high-end products which have a high retail value in this box, and we also got some drugstore, which I like because it's a mixture of both, but they're really great products. Like that Milani palette is amazing. And did you see like the lipstick and like this one, like, and the chrome paint, like, hello, like this is totally worth it. Like, this is a great box, and it's every other month, so it's not like you're breaking your bank every single month for $35. You know what I mean? So I definitely enjoyed it. And to be honest with you, there's been a lot of times I pay $25 a month for BoxyCharm, and of course I love BoxyCharm, I adore BoxyCharm, but there's months where most of the time I don't like anything. And this box, I liked every single product in here, and it's every other month for $35. So it really is worth it. I don't know, this is the first time I tried this box, and I'm really pleasantly surprised. I liked it. I'd love to know what you guys think. I'll definitely leave a link down below if you guys are interested in subscribing. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. And yeah, guys, that's it. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my loves.